Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 4052R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 440R quick attach front loader. Tractor has very low hours. It's got under 50 hours on it. Tractor's like brand new. Has the ag tires and also the power reverse transmission. Front bucket is quick attach. It's got the 6-foot front bucket on it. Front grill guard. Paint's in excellent condition. Got the ag tires with the pip still on it. The tires barely show any wear, just like the rest of the tractor. It's got the extra side work lights, premium seat with the swivel and the armrests, and again the power reverser transmission. You can shift that reverser without clutching. Has a 12-speed transmission. You've got 4 gears that are all synchronized on this lever, plus 3 ranges back here. It gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have your park brake and also your four-wheel drive engagement here to the left of the seat. To the right of the seat, you've got your loader control right here within easy reach, as well as your 3-point control. The R Series tractors are the premium version of the 4 Series. Top of the line, all the bells and whistles. This tractor also has the foldable rollover bar with the canopy top. Got the control back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Makes hooking 3-point attachments up pretty easy. And again, very low hours. Tractor must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.